Growing up, I've always been a good, faithful girl. I went to church every Sunday, I sang hymns, I read the Bible every day. I believed in everything I was taught. But I never liked going to church. I never got along with the kids my age. It was in my teenage years when curiosity overwhelmed me. Who is God? What is the purpose of life? Looking for answers, I was a void. I felt so alone and I was sinking into depression. Life was extremely fragile. The summer before college, I stopped going to church. And believe me, it was the most freeing moment of my life. It was when I became more spiritual than religious. Not soon after, I learned about forest bathing. I didn't know it before, but come to think of it, I've always loved the feel of nature. Leaves rustling, water flowing, birds chirping. Can't put words to explain it, but it made sense of my existence. A human being, a part of something bigger. It's like being hugged by a lover. When I'm surrounded by nature, I am rid of worries. I am reminded that I don't need to fit in all the time. And most importantly, I learn to accept myself and to look at the world with love and selflessness. Until now, it's what heals me the most. My home is far from natural spaces, but I make sure to visit one with my family each year. My spirituality has grown so much since I was given a new pair of eyes to look at life with. And now, I always appreciate what I have and see the beauty in life and its mundanity.